where I literally feel lube on some of the stems, so my hands are kind of sticky now. Whatever. I don't know what this is, by the way. I was trying to I'm trying to remove some O-rings from these switches because I want to compare how it's like O-rings versus no O-rings. So I want to get rid of some of the I want to get rid of the O-rings on my keys, like my letter keys. So I just thought might as well make a stupid video and just type without keycaps for some reason. But I'm just going to take the O-rings off and put the keycaps back just in case you're interested as to why my keyboard looks like this.